So basically, folks, what we got here are the push buttons, 1 through 4. Now, when you activate these correctly, the servo is going to spin, and to reset it, all you have to do is simply press 1. Now, if you were to get it wrong, this red LED is going to indicate, and it's not going to turn the servo. So let's just put in 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. The red LED shows up. Now let's do the correct password. 3, 4, 2, 1, 4. 3, 4, 2, 1, 4. Okay, now the servo spins. Now to reset it, like I said previously, essentially what we have to do is just press 1 and the servo is reset.